Transitions is part of our lives, and we need to embrace transitions, may it be good or bad. There are transitions that is very demanding. Gin-appoint ni Lord si Moses to lead the Israelites to the promised land. Kung doon mo lang ko Lord sa mga ini nga mga tao nga mga reklamador, nga mga ka-draining Lord of doon nga mga tao, Lord mas mapakwaan na lang ko sa subong. That is the sentiments of Moses. He complains to the Lord. Are we allowed to complain? Yes and no. Again, admitting that you cannot do it on your own is not a form of weakness. It is wisdom. Yes, at the right place and right person. And that is God. And no, so you gotta understand right person, right solution. Wrong person, wrong solution. So if you have burdens in your life, you gotta take it and put it in the right place. When the Israelites prayed horizontally, it got them nowhere. The days of journey became 40 years of journey. But what Moses did, he prayed vertically, and the heaven answered and responded to him with help.